Students, yeah, that's what I am telling Jagrut. We will cover this once again. These are demo classes. We will cover this once again and you will be able to see the videos also. I will post the videos. Okay, do not worry about it. Understood? That's what I am telling. Don't worry about it. You will see the videos. Okay, you will see the videos. You will be able to learn it. Okay, don't worry about it. Understood, Jagrut? We'll cover this once again. These are demo classes. Okay, yes. So who has, the students who attended has doubt? Swarup, what is your doubt? Tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt in a rule, sir.
Huh?
Sir, now if I have a doubt in a rule, sir. Sir, rules are there how to divide.
Yes.
That is not एक ये doubt है.
हाँ.
आता एक rule से नहीं लेकिन एक आता भी एक example करो.
हाँ. Tell me what? First, tell me first. Hello. Mic is off. Swarup, your mic is off. Swarup. Okay. Yes. We are not able to hear him, right? Okay, fine. Next, who now joined as Meena Satish? What is your doubt? Hello.
Sir, excuse me.
Tell me.
Sir, can you write?
Yes.
Sir, can you
हाँ. Okay. I will give the side. Okay, don't worry. हाँ. So next,
write?
sixth one, huh? Yes. हाँ. Write it down. Okay. And next, who has doubt? That is Rakhi Sharma. Who joined as Rakhi Sharma? What is your doubt? Hello. Who joined as?
Sir, it is actually Jit's mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, we joined today itself, first class. So
Okay.
that is what he doesn't understand anything. He just finished his third standard.
Okay, fine. So we'll cover this once again, ma'am. We'll cover this. These are demo
Yeah.
classes, so we'll cover this.
Yeah,
Okay.
student is here only, but
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Fine, fine. Okay.
Sir, I'm fine now, sir.
Okay. Fine. I got it. That's what I'm telling. I got it. Do not worry about it. So I will cover it, right? Okay. So next, huh?
Sir, sixth one is not visible.
Sixth one is not visible, huh? Okay. So answer is 100.0. Okay, for sixth one. You can write it. Otherwise, I will write it once again. Okay. Huh?
Sir, this is first class for who finished Navodaya exam?
What?
Or who did Navodaya exam?
Huh?
This class is for who finished Navodaya exam or who didn't finish Navodaya exam?
It is for everyone. That is fifth and sixth students. Okay.
Sir, we have a 16th doubt.
Huh. Okay.
Sir, what we should do, sir?
Listen to the class. Okay. Yes. So this is the question, sixth question, right? Yes. Okay. So in that sixth question, what we have to do? Divide it now. Let us divide. Okay. So see here. See here. Two zeros are there. So 1 0 we have to cancel it, right? So if you cancel 1 0, what will happen? Tell me. Yes. Okay. So here. Okay. So 1 0 here, 1 0 here will cancel. Okay. So for 1 0 we have to give a decimal place. So one decimal place will come. And then what we have to do? We have to divide it, right? Okay. Okay. So now this 0 will cancel, point will come, 15 how much? 15 ones are 15, 1 is smaller, 0. And next 13 it is. 13 is also smaller or bigger? Tell me. 13 is also smaller. So one more 0. After 13 point is there. After 13 point is there, right? So give a point. Okay, after giving a point, what we have to do? It will become 135. It will become 135. 135 means 15 nines, na? So answer will be 100.9. Understood? So that is how the answer will come for the sixth question. Now everyone is clear, right? So who joined as L Urvanch? What is your doubt?
Fifth,
Huh?
fifth one, sir.
Fifth one.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Fifth one. Here, if you see, what is there? 1260 divided by 14. So 14 how much? 14 nines, na? 126. 0 as it is. 14 how much? 0. 14 zeros are 0. So 90 will be the answer. Okay. 14 nines are 126 and then zeros are 0. So answer will be what? That is 90 answer. Okay. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Okay.
Sir, but in phone you gave 40, sir.
Huh?
Not 40. You gave us in homework sums, you gave 140. Not 40.
I gave it 140, na? So why I see only it is 14? Okay. So in the okay 140, na? Okay, it's fine. So 140 means 9 will be the answer. Okay. If it
Yes,
is
sir.
149 will be the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Fine. 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 Hmm.
Sir, it's not 1,400.
No, no, no. 140 only. Okay.
Sir, but I got it like 1,400. Yesterday, you gave this homework sums in the class. I copied them. It was 1,400.
No, no, no. It is 140 beta. Check once again. Check in the photo. I sent it, right? So in that photo it is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So okay. Okay. 1010 cancel. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Huh. Okay. Hmm. So 9 will be the answer. Okay. Fine. So anybody any doubt other than this?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Fine. So we'll go to the next question now.
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So let's go to the next now. Okay.
Sir, what is the fifth type? Sir, I have doubt.
What is the doubt?
Sir, I can understand third one.
Which third one?
Sir,
Homework 1, homework 2. Homework 2.
Homework two. Yes, sir.
So here two zeros are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So you cancel the two zeros first.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, no. Sir, fifth one doubt.
Ah, okay, fine. So see here, these two zeros you cancel, these two zeros cancel, and then 12 you divide with 12. So if you divide with 12, 12 8s are 96 and zeros are 0, and then 12 1 is smaller 0, and then 12 ones are 12. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is how you have to do it.
Copy.
Yes. Okay, fine. So who has doubt? What did I tell? Who has doubt? What did I tell? Tell me. You have to raise the hand, right? Huh? Okay. So here, let me see who has doubt again. Priya Shinde. Who joined as Priya Shinde? What is your doubt?
Sir, I got it, sir.
Okay. Next, Lakshmi Manju. Who joined as Lakshmi Manju? What is your doubt?
Sir, I have doubt in fourth question.
Huh?
I have doubt in homework one fourth question.
Homework on which question?
Fourth, sir.
Fourth. So what you have to do first? You have to divide as 0, right? So 1 0 here, 1 0 here cancel. Two zeros are there. So for two zeros we have to give two decimal places after this. So that is why the point will come here. So 358.09. Okay. Okay. Anybody? Any other doubt? Fine. Okay. So we'll go to the next type. Okay. We'll go to the next type. Fine. So that is. Okay. Listen to the class now. So we have to carry forward. What we have to do? We have to carry forward the remaining part. Okay. So how to do it? We'll see. Okay. So we'll see now how to do and carry the remainder.
Sir, can you
Okay.
mute everyone's mic?
Yes, I'm muting. Don't worry. Okay. So here, if you see, so carry forward is easy. Just you have to know and take a smaller number. So it will be easy for everyone. Okay. So switch off the mic, everyone. Switch off the mic. Keep the mic off.
Sir, which type is this?
Huh? Yes. Okay. So that is how many types we studied? Tell me. Type 4 we studied, I hope. Right? Type 4. So this will be type 5. Right? So did we study type 4? Tell me. Yes? Okay. So send in the chat box. Have you studied type 4? Is it type 5? Tell me, is it type 5 only? So we have to carry the remainder. Okay? We have to carry the remainder. Understood? Okay. So we have to carry the remainder. Is it type 5 only, right, students? Okay. So in the type 5, how to do it? Let us see here. Okay. Okay. So what you do is, if it is like this, so divided by 3, 8, and then 7, okay, and then that is 3. So what we will do is here, so if you see, 8 is not in the table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, right? So it will come between 6 and 9. We have to take the smaller number. We have to take the smaller number. Okay. So 8, how much? 8 twos are how much? 16. We will take 8 twos are 16 here. Okay. So that is, sorry, 3 twos are. So 3 twos are 6 we will take. 3 twos are what? We will take 6 here. So 3 twos are 6 means what will come here? So from 8, 2 will be remaining. From 8, 2 will be remaining. We have to carry that. Okay. So what you have to do? We have to carry that. So this is what? This is, otherwise let me take other question. Okay. So first question, divide by 3, 7, and then 6, and then 2. Okay. So here we know the table of 3. So let us divide it now. Okay. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 3 twos are 6 is there, right? So 3 twos are 6, 7 is there, 1 will be remaining, 1 we have to carry it. What you have to do? 1 we have to carry it. It will become 16. So 3 how much? 16 will not come. 3 5s are 15. So 9, then 12, then 15, then 18 will come. So 16 is in between. So we will take what? 15. 3 5s are 15 we will take. So 15 is gone from 16 means 1 will be remaining. So that will become 12. So 3 how much are 12? 3 4s are 12. So answer will come as how much? 254. Answer will come as how much? 254. Okay. So answer will come as 254. Understood? Okay. We'll do next question, that is second question. Okay. So second question, if you see, we'll divide with 9. Okay. I'll divide with 9. So here it is 10, and then here it is 8. Okay. And then we'll divide it. It is very easy. So what? 9 ones are 9, 10 is there, means 9 ones are 9. So 1 will be remaining from 10, 9 ones are 9 means 1 will be remaining here. So 1 we have to carry it, it will become 18. 9 how much is 18? 9 2s are 18. So answer will become how much? 12. Answer will become 12, right? So that is the answer here. Okay, 3 ones are 3 here, 9 ones are 9 here. Okay, so 12 will be the answer. We just have to carry forward what is remaining. Okay, so I will do one more question. Third question, let me do third question now. Okay, so the third question here, let me do divide by 8. Okay, so I will take little bigger number. So here it is 4 5. Okay, and then 0 3 2. Okay, let us divide now. So what we have to do here? So 8 how much? 45 will not come. 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. 45 is between, so we cannot take 48, it is bigger, we have to take 40. 8 5s are 40. So what will be remaining from 45? 40 is gone, 5 will be remaining. Next we have to take it and write it as smaller. So 50 will become 8 6 are 48, we can take now. 8 6 are 48 means what will be remaining here from 50? 2 will be remaining, it will become 23. Now 8 4s are 24, we cannot take. Sorry, 8 3s are 24, we cannot take. 8 2s are 16, we have to take. 8 2s how much? 16 we have to take. 8 2s are 16, if you take from 23, 16 is gone means we should be very fast with subtraction. 16 is gone means 7 will be remaining. So 7 if you carry forward, it will become 72. So 8 how much is 72? Tell me. 8 9s are 72. So answer will come as how much? That is 5629. 5629 will be the answer here. Okay, so that is what we have to do and get the answer. So I will give some of the questions here and I will clarify the doubts. Okay, so tell me, so you have to do now. Okay, yes. So the fourth question here, this will be classwork, do these questions. Okay, and then we will clarify the doubt, don't worry. Okay, so divide with 6 here, 3 2 4 5. Okay, so and then 8. Okay, okay, let me take divide by 4 and this as 56. Okay, so divide it. Understood? So fifth question you have to do it, that is divide with 5 here. Okay, so 5 4 8 3 0. Okay, so sixth question, do it. Who understood, do it. Okay, divide by 9. 8 5 3 2. Okay, okay, so do these questions and tell me the answers. So now I will clarify the doubt. Who has doubt, raise the hand. Okay, understood? Okay, fine. Yes, so who has doubt, raise the hand now. Okay, so who joined as Shweta L? What is your doubt?
Sir, 108 divided by 9,
108. Yes, 108 divided by 9 it is. Okay. The red color is the question and the yellow color is the answer. Okay.
Sir, we can directly
Huh?
we can directly
What directly?
Sir, we can 12 Sir, I cannot understand.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Sir, I did not understanding that once we gave.
Someone's mic is making problem. Switch it off. Okay. So next. Okay, don't worry. I will explain one more question. Listen here. Okay. So should I explain the fifth question? Okay.
Your voice is getting echoed a lot.
Everyone switch off the mic. Everyone switch off the mic. Everyone switch off the mic. Keep the mic off. Okay. Okay, silence. So fifth question I will explain. Listen, everyone. Listen carefully here. So see here. We just have to divide normally. So 5, how much are 5? Tell me. 5 ones are 5, right? Yes? Okay. So 5 ones are, okay. So here 5 ones are 5. 4 is smaller, 0. Next it will become 48. 48 will not come in the table, right? 48 will not come in the table means, okay. So 5, how much are 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. 48 comes in between. 5 nines are 45. 45 means here what will be remaining? 45 is gone. From 45 if you minus, what will be remaining? 3 remaining, right? So that 3 we have to carry it next. So 5, 33 will come in the table, 5 table. No, it will not come. So 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 33 will come in between. 5 6 are we have to take here. 5 6 are 30 means what answer will come? From 33, 30 is gone. 3 will be remaining. That 3 we have to carry. 5 6 are 30. So answer will come as what? Yes, 10966. 10966 will be the answer. Okay, understood? So that is how you have to do it. Okay, don't worry, we will explain once again. Okay, and then you will be able to understand it. Okay.
Sir, finished. Sir, finished.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, finished.
Yes. So now who has doubt, raise the hand. I will clarify the doubts. Okay. Who has doubt? Raise the hand. Okay. Yes. So who joined as triple S 18 Virat?
Sir, really.
What is your doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt in the photo.
Not in this 4 5 6. I will explain once again. 1 2 3 only. Tell me 1 2 3 doubts. No doubt? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. That is who? Divya A. What is your doubt? No doubt. Hoysala?
Sir, I have a sir. Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, like how to identify if we have to do the normal way or we will get a reminder?
We have to know the table. If you know the table, it will be easy. So see here. Okay. So 9 table, 10 comes. 10 is here. In 9 table 10 will come. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 10 will not come. So then it will be carry remainder, right? Tables. If you read the tables, it will be easy. Otherwise, I will tell you just have to read the table. What do you have to do? You just have to read the table here. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 9 is big. we cannot take. 3 2s are 6. 2s are 6 means 6 is smaller, we can take. So 7 will not come. Just read the table, you will get. Okay. Next, Hoysala, what is your doubt? Hoysala. Hoysala. Okay. No doubt. Switch on the mic, Hoysala. Hoysala, no doubt. Okay. Next, Dhanvin. What is your doubt? Dhanvin.
The third one.
Third one. Where?
Side.
Okay.
I can't understand how you did it. Sir, please, sir.
Okay. So see here, 8. 45 will come in the table. Huh? Here 45 is there. So here 45 is there means 45 will not come in the table, right? Yes. 45 will not come means you have to take 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 na. 5s are 40 means what will be remaining from 45? 5 you carry it. 5 you carry it means it will become 50 na. 50 means 8 6 are 48. Yes. 6 are 48 means 2 will be remaining. Carry it. 8 2s are 16. 16 means how much will be remaining from 23? 7. 8 9s are 72 na. Understood? Yes. Okay. Next, who has doubt? Sridevi Talur. Who joined as Sridevi Talur?
Sir,
What is your doubt?
sir, fourth one.
Fourth one I will explain. Wait. Next, Nitin. Who joined as Nitin?
Sir,
Huh.
sir, me, third one.
Third one. That's what I explained just now, right? Artha aita?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, you can see the video again. Okay, you can see the video in YouTube. Okay. Next, Hoysala. What is your doubt? Hoysala. No doubt?
Sir,
ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ?
can you send the PDF,
ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಗೌಡ. ಹೂ ಜಾಯಿಂಡ್ as ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಗೌಡ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್? No doubt?
Who please stop?
Okay. Next, Lakshmi Manju. Who joined as Lakshmi Manju? Any doubt?
Sir, having fourth.
Fourth. Okay, I will explain. Next, that is Sidiksha. No doubt?
I have doubt in sixth one.
Sixth one. Okay, I will explain. Listen here. So students, I will do fourth and sixth question now. So see and check your answer. Okay. So I will do both the ways. You are getting confused, right? So what I will do? I will do both the ways so that it will be easy for you. Okay. Okay. So see here. 4 how much are? 4 8 is a 32. 4 1s are 4. 5 is not in the table. 4 1s are 4. After 5, 4 is there means gone. So 1 will be remaining. That will become 16. 4 4s are 16. So answer will become 8114. So how many of you got that answer? That is the correct answer. Okay. So that is the correct answer. I hope you did it. Okay. Okay. Next here, sixth answer. So sixth answer, 9. How much are 85? 9 9s are 81. 81 is gone from 85 means 4 will be remaining 43. So 9 how much are? 9. Yes, that is okay. So what was the question? 3 2, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. So 9, how much za? 9 4 za 36. 9 5 za 45, we cannot take. 9 4 za 36. 36 is gone means 7 will be remaining. So here 72. 9 how much za 72? 9 8 za 72. So 948 will be the answer. I hope you got it. Okay. So this is how you have to do the questions. Okay. I will explain again. Do not worry. We will practice this again tomorrow also. So don't worry about it. You can see the video in the YouTube also, and we will post that. Okay. You just have to subscribe to Azurite classes, and it will be easy visible to you, and you can see the video. Okay now. Okay, good. So
it will be in YouTube.
yes, it will be there in YouTube. You just have to subscribe to our Azurite classes. Yes, okay, very good. So you got it correct. Very good. So anybody, okay, anybody who has doubt now? Karthik Gowda, who? What is your doubt? Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow is also class. Okay. Next, yeah, we will tell that. Don't worry. So till Monday there will be class. After that we will start the class in separate. So you have to take the admissions. If you don't take the admission, then your class will be discontinued. Okay. Karthik Gowda done. Next, that is who joined as VP Baire Gowda. What is your doubt? Yes. Switch on the mic.
I have out fourth one, sir.
Fourth one. Divide it, amma. 4 how much is 32? 4 8 za 32, and 4 how much za 4? 4 1 za 4 Next 5 is 4 1 za 4 Yes, from 5 you divide it like this. Students, you know how to divide it, right? So if you divide it like this, 3 2 4 5 6, 4 8 za 32 you will take, right? And then you will take 4 here, 4 1 za 4, right? And then you will take 5 here, 4 1s are 4, 1 will be remaining. That 1 you take 6 next, it will become 16. Same I am doing directly here. So 5 4 1s are 4, from 5 4 is gone, 1 will be remaining, 16 it will become. So that 16 I am taking it here. So 4 4s are how much? 4 4s are 16 here. So it will become 0 na. So same way, both are same only, just I am doing it directly. Okay na? Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yes?
Sir, which channel?
Which? I will tell. I will send in the group. Okay? Don't worry, I will send the question in that is video in the group, and you can check the video. Okay na? So will everyone be able to do? Try it. If you are not able to do, you can ask me doubt tomorrow, and then we will solve the doubts tomorrow also, and we will explain tomorrow also. Okay? Do not worry. Write down the homework and you solve it. Homework. Okay? So will everyone try to solve homework? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write down the homework now.
Sir, if we don't know in that method, we can do it in long division.
No, you cannot do in long division method. You have to learn direct method only. Okay? You have to learn direct method and do it. Practice it. Okay? No long division. Understood? Okay? Got it? So you have to learn and then do it. Okay? 2 7 3 6. Okay? And then second question, divide by 7. Okay? 3 9 3 4. Okay? So third question, divide by 8. 3648. Fourth question. Divide by 12. Okay. $540. Okay. So next, fifth question. $845 divided by 13. Sixth question, divide by 14. Okay. So 14 we have to divide. So 448 divided by 14. Seventh question, 9675. Eighth question, 5184. Okay. So these will be homework for you and you have to complete it. So will everyone complete it? Tell me. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay now? Okay, good. Okay, very good. Okay, complete it. Any doubt? We will clarify tomorrow. Okay, so you take screenshot. Okay, okay. Bye bye, students. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. I will send the homework. Okay, bye bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.